Hey everybody, welcome back. This is ETV Morning Live. Time for Ask the Expert with our good friends from Recycle Frog. If you don't know what Recycle Frog does, we'll tell you in a minute. And then you might have some questions, so you can get on the telephone 613-789-6559 extension 2803. You can also email us questions. There's the email address. There's our Facebook page. Questions. If you have them, we can answer them. David Martinek is here. How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Good to see you, my friend. For those maybe tuning in for the first time and they look at the name Recycle Frog and they go, huh?
We're not recycling frogs.
No.
That's number one.
No, not at all.
No. I think a lot of people have started to get to know us a little bit in Ottawa, but for those who don't, we buy and recycle people's precious metals, anything gold, silver, platinum, stuff you don't want, you don't wear, you have no sentimental attachment to.
Right.
We'll buy it from you, pay as most money as we possibly can, and I do want to talk about our new pricing guarantee. Everybody talks about paying the most money. Well, we're stepping up to the plate, and we're going to beat anybody's offer in town. So
there are a lot of claims like that.
Tons.
Right.
You know what? And people, our competition is desperate, and they're trying to do anything they can, and they make these false promises. But you know what? People that want to bring in an offer from a competitor, a written offer, we're actually going to beat it. So put us to the challenge.
I like it.
Yep.
I like it a lot. There's also, I see them on TV, their ads on TV, I see them everywhere, and people should beware of that sort of thing when they can track you down. You got 3 events this week, for example, and speak to you in person.
Exactly. Well, we've talked a lot about the basics of the transaction itself and how important it is to have a very transparent and open experience. And if you're not seeing the kind of equipment you see here on the table today, if you're not seeing the kind of scale you're seeing here, a certified, government certified weights and measures scale.
Stamp on it.
Stamp, as well as seal plates at the back that are
that's important.
that are screwed right in there, and we can't tamper with. These are important pieces of the evaluation process that you really should be seeing. If you don't see this, you should have some red flags popping up in your head, and think twice about that.
So I look for that, for example, that mark on the side, the certified from Measurement Canada.
Exactly. And
which is an agency of Industry Canada, I believe.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right.
And what's this machine just for?
So this here, this is as close as the consumer will ever get to a refiner. This essentially what it does is it puts a little resistance test, a little electrical current through this gel and into the material, and within seconds you'll know what that purity of the material is, so whether it's 10 karat, 14, 18 or
just
better.
Like that?
Just like that. It literally takes a couple of seconds, and we'll show this to you right on the spot. So that's that transparency I keep talking about.
Yep.
You won't have any questions at the end of it. And what's
there's
really nice,
there's no pressure either, right?
That's exactly what I was going to get to next. Is we'll put everything out in front of you. We'll do the testing right in front of you. We'll answer all your questions, and then we'll present you with an offer. If you like the offer, we'll write you a check immediately. If you don't like the offer, you just pack up your stuff and off you go. Never any sales pressure. Our guys are never commissioned, so they're not incented to push you to take
You're not going to chase me down the hall.
No, we're not going to chase. We're not going to be yelling profanities as some of the stories we've heard.
I know.
So you know what? If you like the offer, you accept it. We write you a check, and if you don't, you just pack up and off you go.
I would guess that the biggest question people have right off the bat is, what sort of things are you talking about here? And you brought a pile of gold jewelry that fits the bill.
Yeah, things
so what do
like
we got here?
Just necklaces, earrings, old
broken
rings,
necklace, right?
Things that people have either lost a stone or taken a stone out. So just your
small rings that. Oh, it's a Harley Davidson ring.
It is a Harley Davidson ring.
Really?
Yeah. So it's pretty much anything that people have either gathered over the years or inherited.
This you see all the time.
Oh yeah,
right. Yeah. Chains and
the old sort of 70s, 80s style bracelets. People aren't wearing them anymore, or they've inherited from their family, their parents, and so on. So.
I mean, everybody's got stuff like that that they put in their jewelry box or their junk drawer.
Yep.
The junk drawer has got to be full of this stuff.
Absolutely.
Where it's something they enjoyed for a time, and now it either like the bracelet broke or they broke up with their boyfriend / girlfriend, whatever, and they just don't want to wear it anymore, and it's sitting there with all kinds of value attached to it.
One of the words we keep using now in our marketing is it's decluttering. So people are literally sitting there with clutter sort of collected over the years or inherited over the years, and it's just time to take advantage of really high gold and silver prices.
Exactly.
And get a little bit of money for it and declutter.
Yeah, outside of the fact that you're decluttering and all that, you can go home with a pocket full of dough.
You can go home with a pocket full of dough, and I also want to talk a little bit about the environmental impact of this, of course, being Recycle Frog, as well as some of the social benefits, the community benefits.
We'll get to that in our next segment. First, I want to touch on the 3 places you're going to be this week.
Yep, so Southway Inn on Wednesday and Thursday. We're also going to be at the Carp Library on Friday and Saturday, and then at the Smiths Falls Best Western on Saturday and Sunday. Yep.
So people can drop by any of those.
Drop by, the earlier the better. It usually starts to build through the day, so if you get in a little bit early in the morning or towards the end of the day, then you won't have to wait in line. But it's a very quick process. It only takes usually 15 minutes or so.
Yes.
So you're in and out really quickly, and hopefully with a lot of money in your pocket.
And you bring several experts along with you.
Yep, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, we'll talk about the recycling end of things and how these guys are environmentally friendly, but we do want to encourage you to ask some questions if you happen to have them for David. And Recycle Frog, 613-789-6559, extension 2803 is the phone number. Feel free to call that number. Email us ottawa.morning@ctv.ca. You can Facebook questions. We'll be back with more of Ask the Expert with Recycle Frog next here on CTV Morning Live.